Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget review. Today we are unboxing and testing out a budget-friendly gaming mouse that's been getting a lot of hype in the gaming community. So today we will unbox this and esports GM100 optical gaming mouse. Now this one promises gaming performance on a budget, but it is really worth your money? Let's find out. Let's begin with unboxing. It has simple packaging with the mouse image in the front and key features at the side. Here you can see it has 7 buttons and it has high gaming sensor up to 3600 dpi, multicolor LED lights, durable cable, uses USB to Type-C OTG adapter included. Now let's unbox it first. Let's open it up. Wow guys, amazing, simple packaging. So inside the box we get this GM100 mouse itself. Look, it has very ergonomic design and a little user manual and warranty card. As I have already told, it has come with the OTG adapter, that is USB to Type-C adapter. This ANT Esports GM100 has an ergonomic design. It is very lightweight with textured matte finish that feels premium in the hand. It covers your full hands. It's not too big, not too small. Fits inside your hand, and it is a wired mouse, guys. Yes, the wire is of PVC cable. It is very durable. The mouse has 7 buttons, including the standard left, right, and scroll wheel DPI switcher and 2 side buttons. These buttons are tactile and responsive, perfect for both gaming and everyday use. And of course, no gaming mouse is complete without RGB lighting. Yes, this GM100 comes with dynamic LED effects that makes it look great on any gaming setup. It's not customizable software-based RGB, but it definitely adds to the vibe. Let's quickly go over the specification. This optical sensor with 3600 dpi, switcher on the fly with the DPI button, and this 7 programmable buttons depending on the software size. Perfect for gamers. And it has USB wired connection with a decent cable length, ergonomic lightweight design for longer gaming. Alright, now let's see how it performs. So guys, I have tested out with gaming also. The tracking is smooth, the sensor picks up well, even fast flicks, perfect for FPS games. DPI switches is handy. You can go for low DPI for precision aiming to high DPI for fast movement in just one click. These side buttons work well for quick actions like reloading and all, very responsive. For daily tasks used like browsing or editing, it's comfortable and gets the job done without straining your hand. So let's quickly go for pros and cons. So I will first say pros. It is very lightweight and ergonomic design. 7 functional buttons on the fly, DPI adjustment up to 3600, smooth tracking and responsive clicks, RGB lighting for gaming vibe, very budget friendly. So about it, cons, the RGB is not customizable, guys. Not too much glowing RGB light, but it's okay for entry level for your gaming setup. Build quality is good but not premium, and has no wireless option because it is wired mouse. So that's it, guys. Is this ANT Esports GM100 worth buying? Absolutely. If you're looking for a budget gaming mouse under 500 to 600 rupees, this is one of the best picks. It lightweight, responsive, has good DPI control, and that little touch of RGB just make it feels like a proper gaming accessory. Of course, don't expect the ultra premium features, but for the beginners and casual gamers, this is the great value for money mouse. So what do you think, guys? Would you pick this mouse for your gaming setup? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome tech reviews